When you go to in-person events, it's about being around others with a shared mindset. Everyone's fired up and you're in the right place at the right time. However, a lot of the time, we save that for the casual coffee chats during the day. This is what we're going to do from 6 p.m. on Wednesday, the 3rd of May at CEX. You're going to create your own piece of content, but with other people cheering you on in your own group. Now, it could be something that you haven't done before. It could be an article. It could be a video. It could be a LinkedIn post. It could be a story behind a photo. It's something that you've perhaps thought about, but you haven't quite got around to doing it. It's time to come together. It's time to forge new friendships and to work together as a team with your CEX collaborators. I look forward to it, and I'll see you soon.